Welcome. I'm Joy, a watercolor wildlife artist based mostly out of Nashville, Tennessee. However, I do spend a lot of time in Omaha too. I like to paint wildlife, animals, nature subjects in watercolor. I'd just like to invite you to my Patreon. This is a place that I can give you behind the scenes. As you can see, we are outside. This is where I do most of my painting, unless it's too cold or rainy. I do use a lot of reference photos that I take myself for my artwork, so that way when I can't get outside I can still keep the painting going. I love to paint in watercolor. I had a couple of strokes almost 10 years ago now, and watercolor painting was part of my rehabilitation to get my speech going again. And it worked wonderfully, and I fell in love, and that's what I do full-time now. So I hope you join me. Take a look at the tiers, the rewards that are offered, and see what you would like. I offer anything from monthly freebie calendars for everybody to digital stationery and calendars and stickers and cards for you to print at home. I also will soon have a couple of tiers coming with actual artwork for a limited number of people. So I hope you get to take a look at the tiers and get some behind the scenes information and join the community. Thank you.